Hello. Today I will show you how to configure a Cisco Internet access point. This model is the AirRay P1231G AAK9. First will be the CLI, Command Line Interface, method, which is easier for advanced users. Press Enter. Type Enable. The default password is Cisco with a capital C. Configure terminal. Interface.11.0. SSID Cisco. Authentication open. Guest mode. Exit. Automatically the access point chooses the least congested on all 11 channels, but we will set up for only channels 1, 6, and 11. Channel least congested 1, 6, 11. Exit. Interface BV1. IP address 10.0.5.1.255.255.0.0. Type exit and exit again. Then copy run start, and press enter twice. Congratulations! You have configured a Cisco AirRay P1231G AAK9 access point with the CLI method.